Easy work today. We're gonna get right into the workout today, man. We got arms and we got burpees today. Nice and smooth day with the arms and burpees. I've been on a tangent with the arms and burpees these past like at least month. I believe that the arms are very crucial in the summertime. We want to build them up in the winter time so they can be strong, look good in cut off shirts. The tight shirts y'all like to do y'all thing. I don't know how men think. Y'all want to wear them, and also we're gonna get them burpees. Burpees are very crucial. I think it's been left out a lot when it comes to burpees, and also people are not doing burpees correctly. They're doing some wild stuff with burpees. They're jumping up in the air like cheerleaders. The form is horrible, and I don't think they're doing enough of them because they don't understand the importance of having cardio in this calisthenics game. Especially with the high reps and everything, you want to have good cardio. So what we're gonna do a few burpees. We'll be about 30 minutes or so, not too long. So I gotta get something to eat. Been a long day. Want to get something to eat, chill with the wife, relax. We're gonna get minutes in. That's what I call my arm video. So this is basically arms, and we're gonna do burpees. So we're gonna start it off simple. We're gonna first go off with the dips first. We're gonna do a little bit different when it comes to the dips. I'll make sure they can see me when I come up top. Can they see me way up here? All right, let me see. I want to make sure y'all can see. We're doing something a little bit different today. We up top. You still see? All right, so we're gonna do straight bar dips. We're gonna do the straight bar dips. We're gonna do chin ups, and also we're gonna do the burpees right after. So basically, the triceps, the biceps, and of course the burpees for the cardio. When I like to do about shoulder length when I'm doing my straight bar dips. Straight bar dips are good for triceps and that thick head, that long head of the tricep. Also get a little bit of the chest and your shoulders. You can't get that out of the way, but I'm really focused on mind and muscle connection when it comes to the triceps. Okay, so you up here, leg straight, push it straight up. You're gonna use your chest, of course. Ain't no way around. Try your best to stay straight up as possible. You'll hit more of your triceps. Nice smooth. Nice smooth. So I do about 7 to 10 of those. We can go into the L sit. You can't do an L sit, that's cool. Or tucked chin ups. Arm length. We're worrying about the stretch when it comes to the biceps. Big stretch so we can get more of them the biceps feeling good, okay? So here, about shoulder length, coming down. We'll do the easier one first. The easier one is legs will be tucked. So here, big stretch, pulling. So you want a big stretch, pulling straight up. You get a lot of your chin ups, a lot of your biceps. I would say doing these chin ups way better than dumbbell curls. Some people will argue with me on that, but of course they look at a lot of bodybuilders, a lot of people that's on that juice, gear, steroids, however they want to say, and they'll think that doing curls is way better. I mean, of course you'll think most things are better when it comes to the bodybuilders because they own that juice, they own that gear. So you guys gonna feel some type of way. Y'all can walk through, bro. Y'all can do y'all thing. Y'all good. Oh yeah. Where you go to? Yeah, I graduated. Oh, congrats, man. But what you got to do is stop paying attention to people that's on the gear and everything. Pay attention to people that are natural and see what they're doing. Of course, you're gonna grow with anything, but they got the product to preach. If you weren't watching people that's just doing anything with gear all the time, make sense? Hold this for me. My pockets. I'll have to get these burpees. Surprised that it's not lagging though. That's good. All right. So the burpee. On to the burpee next. So the burpee, we don't jump when it comes to the burpee. What we're gonna do is we're in the stomach, touch the toes, hop back up. This time we're gonna do a tricep, okay? 3 pumps. So we're down, 1, 2, 3, back up. We're gonna do about 5 to 7. 5 to 7 gonna be good. Let's get a little more push between for the triceps, the chest. But with my push-ups, I'm gonna come a little bit closer to try to get more of the tricep. As I said, this is an arm workout. Make sense? So here, toe down, up, back up. I like to do 2 steps, come back in, stomach, toes, right back up.